Good morning, my name is Jeremiah with Affordable Mobility Solutions, and today I'm shooting a video of our 2017 Toyota Sienna LE. You can see here with the key fob, I can operate both power sliding doors. It's got a manual rear entry, brand new conversion. With this conversion, it only takes 2 fingers to operate. Very easy to do. These clamps keep these ramps from rattling. It's a great design. Got a handle on either side. And you can see here I can take this to the ground using only my index finger. Very simple to do. Very lightweight. I tell our customers, if you can lift half a gallon of milk up off the ground, you can operate this 36-inch wide ramp with ease. That is 6 inches wider than the side entries, so I like these rear entries for that reason, and many more. It does taper down to about 35 inches here at the base of width of room. Got 8 tie-down points, so you can get up to 2 wheelchairs at a time in here, or a gurney, or a stretcher. Between the second row of seats, has about 25.5 inches of room. So if a wheelchair won't slide all the way up between there, if it's a little too wide, then the passenger's legs can sit in between here. Their bottom will sit slightly behind it. If you need more room, we can always remove one of these seats. You can see that would create about 5 more inches of room there. There's no one size fits all. So let me know what you need. Let me know your dimensions. We can try and help customize this van to be exactly what you need. Got your rear air controls. Got your nice center console there. The dash looks to be in great shape. And you can operate all the power sliding doors up here as well. It's also got buttons over there to work them as well. And let's say you're going to use this van maybe for a taxi. And you want those doors to become manual. Turn the power doors off right there. They become manual sliding doors. We do give a free set of pull tight, Q straight tie downs away with each van. Look at that, 1 finger. So once you got everybody secure, come back out. Reverse the process. A very easy way, affordable, and way to do these ramps, the manual ramp and door. Quick walk around to the van. Got tinted windows in the rear, alloy wheels. Got brand new matching Cooper tires. Got your roof rack in case you want to do any traveling. Put a little extra luggage on top if you need the room. Super clean van. It's hard to find a dent or a scratch in this van. I'm not saying it's perfect, but I'm saying I have to look really hard. I can't see any dents in it. I can't see any scratches in it. It's very well taken care of. You see a small scuff there in the paint. That's come like it's just bug. We got some bug guts on the front, and we did wash it, but after so many years, those bug guts kind of stay on there, and they're not real noticeable. But I want you to see what I see on this van. I want to be honest with you. I want you to know exactly what I know. We always show you the VIN number. That way you know that we've got the vehicle in our possession, that we're not pulling some internet scam. Speaking of that VIN number, we do a free Carfax report with each one of our vehicles. You can see this Sienna has no accidents or damage, 1 owner, 8 service history records, last owned in Florida, so a rust and salt-free area. You can see Carfax guarantees no salvage, junk, rebuilt, fire, flood, hail, or lemon brands on the title. They show there's never been a total loss, never been structural, or never been frame damage. Airbags have never been deployed. Odometer checks out good. No accident or damage reported as well. We can scroll down, shows the vehicle history as far as it's been serviced. So it's a 1 owner. Our reputation. You can see on eBay we have 835 transactions. No one's ever left negative feedback about us. That's 835 people we did business with that said we did them right. 0 people said we did them wrong. You can look us up on Google, Affordable Mobility Solutions in Wichita, Kansas. You can see 168 reviews, a 4.8 out of 5 stars. We've got a great reputation. We show you the Carfax, dozens of pictures. We get out and make these videos. I want you to know exactly what you're getting. And if you think that all sellers are the same, that they're all going to be honest with you, unfortunately in this business, about 80% of them out there, they're not real reputable. So no matter who you buy from, check out who you're buying from. Get on Google, see what people are saying about them. You can click our reviews, see all the nice things people said about us. So check those out, do your due diligence. Back to the van, very clean interior. Got all your owner's manuals in there. We've got 2 keys and 1 fob. If you want to get an additional fob made on your dime, we can arrange that. You can get your price quote on that. These rear seats are brand new, these jump seats. We got the power driver seat, works just fine. I'm a non-smoker. I can smell smoke from a mile away. No signs of any smoke or unusual odors in this van. When I go to turn it on, it fires right up. There's no check engine lights on, no dummy lights. Current miles just over 39,000. You can see we've got a full tank of gas currently. That could change if someone does a test drive. Got your backup camera. We've pressed all the power mirrors, power windows. See that power mirror, that power mirror. We've tested pushed every button in this van. I've got 3 mechanics that work for me. This is not some van you come look at or we ship out to you and it's got a bunch of problems we didn't tell you about. A lot of these dealers, they're not going to tell you the full story. They're definitely not going to show you the full story, and you don't know until the van arrives in your driveway. And that's why I'm making this video. Underneath the hood is a 3.5 V6 engine. This does come from Toyota for a 5-year, 60,000 mile powertrain warranty. So this still meets the specs to be under the full powertrain warranty as well. No signs of any damage, no signs of any leaks. It idles so quietly I can hardly even hear it running. Also our conversion, it's an ATS conversion. Comes with a 3-year unlimited mile warranty on the conversion. And by the way, look underneath it, look how clean that is. I don't see any rust, I don't see any signs of any bent metal from an accident. I don't see any leaks. And that's the #1 mistake people make when buying used vehicles. They assume things. They assume because it only has 39,000 miles on it. They assume because it looks nice in pictures. They assume because their salesperson was nice to them. They automatically assume it runs and drives good. They assume it's not all rusted out. And I tell you what, go check out my competition. Yeah, that's right. I'm sending you to my competition's website. Do they have pictures of the undercarriage? Much less a video like this. Do they have a Carfax report? Do they show you who the reputation, who they are, why you should buy from them? You know, so if you just want to send $30,000 or $40,000 across the country to a complete stranger, and you just want to cross your fingers and trust they're being honest with you, that's fine. That's your money. You can do whatever you want with it. You're going to regret it, but hey, it's your money. Do whatever you want with it. But you know, I've been doing this 10 years. Demand a detailed video like this. Demand to see a Carfax report. Look up who they are and who you're buying from. Do a little due diligence. And back to our conversion, 3 years unlimited mile warranty on the conversion. All these other conversion companies out there are going to tell you their warranty's better, that their conversion is better. Well, if that's true, there's our 3-year, 36,000 miles on the warranty for the conversion. Ours is 3 years unlimited. So you tell me who has the better warranty, unlimited or 36,000 miles. If they're so confident in their warranty and their conversion, why does it stop at 36,000 miles? So that's a question for you to ask for yourself. Okay, the final portion of the video. I always like to get the vans out on a test drive so you can hear the engine run, feel the transmission shift through all the gears, and you know whether you take advantage of our free shipping in the lower 48 states or if you come in and drive this van home. We've done our due diligence. We've made sure it's roadworthy. Great acceleration, pops up to 70 miles an hour, no problems. Steering wheel's nice and straight. It's not vibrating back and forth, so it runs and drives real nice down the highway. With all this being said, please keep in mind this is a used vehicle. We strongly recommend an affordable extended warranty with every used vehicle. They go anywhere from 90 days all the way up to 8 years and everywhere in between. Got the cruise control set. Cruise works fine. Also keep in mind, we don't have any hidden fees. A lot of these dealers have a real nice price online. What they don't tell you about is their $500 dock fee, and then they got tag fees, and then they're going to charge you for shipping. Our price includes shipping, no hidden fees. Of course, you got to pay sales tax to Uncle Sam. But my question to you, if someone's not telling you the real price, if they've got $30,000 listed online, next thing you know, after all their fees, it's $30,500 or $31,000, you know, whatever it might be. My question is, what else are they hiding from you? If they can't even be honest and upfront about the price, if they're going to try to slip in little fees on the back end, what else are they hiding from you? Are they hiding accidents? Are they hiding mechanical work? Are they hiding flood damage? Are they hiding a salvage title? You know, I don't know. I can't speak for them. I just know if someone's not being upfront and honest with me from the get-go, I don't trust them. So again, it's your money. You do what you want with it. But just always be sure to ask about all the hidden fees people try and slip in on you before you go making your decision. And also, if you want to give us a phone call, 316-262-VANS. That's 316-262-8267. My name is Jeremiah. If you're more of a text messenger, give me a text. 316-518-4377. Nice hard brake. No grinding, no squeaking, no unusual brake noise or vibration. So again, exactly what we're looking for. And back to the cell phone number. I am the owner. That is my cell phone number. Hey, I want you to ask these big companies like Freedom Motors, United Access, VMI, Braun, all those big companies. Ask them, hey, I want the owner's cell phone number. Are you committed enough to customer service to give me the owner's cell phone number? So if you want to go with a big company where you're just a number, and you got to call and wait and hold to talk to people all day, every day, fine, do business with them. But if you want to be somebody that talks to the owner, that can reach out to me if you have an issue, you've got my cell phone number. We do have financing available. We can send an application to your phone or your email address. And if you're old school, if computers aren't your thing, that's okay. Don't be shy, don't be embarrassed. We can do it the old-fashioned way and take an application over the phone. That's not a problem. Give us a call. Check out our entire inventory at www.mobility316.com. That's mobility316.com. Detailed videos and Carfax reports and dozens of pictures of every vehicle on our website. We do take trade-ins. Call me. I can tell you how that works. And as always, thank you so much for checking out Affordable Mobility Solutions, where mobility is affordable. Call us today.